right, good morning and welcome to the Sawdust Pit. My name is Chris Carroll from North Star Motorsports, and as you can see, we ditched the snow and we are here in Ashland, Maine. This is round number 1 of the Sawdust Pit Showdown. So this summer we're bringing you our dirt bike motocross action. Stay tuned, we got a huge day planned for you.
My name is Cole Hargela, and we're racing Sawdust Pit today. I love the conditions here. They're so much fun, and it's deep.
I mean, this track's sick. It's always super gnarly. It's super soft and very unpredictable, so it always keeps you on your toes.
It does get usually really rough during the day, so just trying to find the smartest lines.
All right, as you can see behind me, we have started practice. It's about 9:30. Got our little ones out. They're on 50 cc's, 85 cc's, but we're a little bit behind. We had a couple technical issues as we moved through the morning. We've got it worked out. If you turn and look behind me here, we've got our stage where we have the live stream that's going to be set up. Riley's going to be running around. We'll get back to you.